Okay, I don't know if you already know, but this video is going to be what I usually do for my Sundays. And my Sundays usually consist of me working, which I already showed you guys. But yeah, so I usually work and I'll just do like usually a chill day. But today, because I have no decorations for Valentine's Day, and if you know me, I am obsessed with Valentine's Day, regardless of having a significant other or not, I'm gonna go to Marshall's and get a couple of decorations to decorate my apartment. So let's get going.
And I can't get it. Maybe I should just focus on me instead.
I swear, it's literally slim pickings out here. The only thing I got at Marshall's was literally this heart. Like, what the heck? There's no more Valentine's Day stuff. They're doing Easter now, so. Okay, so I went shopping to get literally stuff only for Valentine's Day. Yeah, that didn't work out, but Target first, and I got, oh, okay, well, I got this cute little heart-shaped candle. I don't even know if it smells that good. Oh, it does smell pretty good. It was like $3. Then I got this little eye roller thing. And I just got this window thing for my room. That's like the best thing that I would get for Valentine's Day. Now for my other thing, I went to Victoria's Secret. And I've been seeing like all these girls get these. And I've had them before, but I needed a new one, honestly. This, it's like hearts. It's super cute. It's for like your car keys. I thought that was adorable. So I got that. This for my phone because I like pop sockets. And then I got this from Dry Goods. It's not even Valentine's, but it's so comfy and it was on sale. Yeah, I love it. I think it'd be so cute for the winter. And that is what I got from the stores. I'm gonna take my keys now. I just got this hot pink pepper sprays too, so that matches totally perfect with this. So I take these off. Oh, this thing is always so hard. Okay, so I'm gonna put my key on the ring right here. And then this is my key card to get into my apartment. I don't know if it's gonna, I doubt it's gonna fit in this one. Well, maybe it will. Okay, there's my cute little keys for my car. Like, tell me this is not so freaking cute. Like, shoot, I almost forgot my pepper spray. What the heck was she thinking? There we go. Pull up to the Sri Lanka. Okay, and then I literally just put my pop socket on too. Like, so cute. And I don't know, I just feel like I love this so much better because it's like a nice grip. And I always have my phone on me and it's just nice to just be holding it like this.
It's just, oh my god. Oh my god.
It fucking came off. What the hell? That was so misguiding. Okay, hold on. See me right now? I'm literally like fucking giving it the hype. like get on there. I think it's on, right? I also moved it up because it was way too dang low now. Yeah, it was way too low before, so I swear to God. Let's see. Okay, I think it's good. I'm so dead. That was so funny. Like, what the heck? But I'm gonna show you guys where I put my cute little stickers, my decorations that I bought so far. I put my cute little I love you sign right here. I think that's really cute to put it. This too, and that is just so cute on my big long body mirror. I put my other two little ones right there. So cute. So my room is looking a little bit chaotic right now, as you can see for yourself. Shit is everywhere, so I need to do a little bit of a cleanup. This is usually what I do on Sundays. I usually reorganize my room because it gets kind of messy throughout the week and the weekend, so I'm gonna straighten up my room because everything is cluttered. I mean, like, literally, look at my desk right now. I have my ring light, but I have all this stuff, all my notes. I got the shell I got in Turks, some random leftover coffee, just like everything, like, what are those, you know? And then just like all this crap that I need to get rid of. Also, I put this cute little candle that I got from Target right there. That'd be really cute. So I did some homework now. I'm gonna write my weekly homework in my little planner that I just got. It's super cute. It's adorable. I got a cute little pen to go with it. Thank you for watching my Sunday reset video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye!